Hi guys, welcome on the channel. You can see I just got the packages, two batteries, two boxes, actually 8 batteries. Yeah, nicely packed. You can see what we have inside. We have the boost bars, inclusive the nuts and these epoxy plates that go between cells. Here in the second box we have the same. So we have 8 cells, we have 8 bars, and we have also, you see, I like it. I like it. They have those heavy cover on the corners, and look how quality is shipped those packs. It is so deep, and both boxes are the same. I think those corners it is the best what you can find, because when the box falls or something, it can really handle all damage. I think this box it can drop from 1 meter or something, and it will go really very easy on the corner, and this material it will crash, but it will not damage the cells. I've prepared the voltmeter, and you can see we will be measuring the voltage on each cell. I have to admit they are so good. You can see lovely 3 volts 286 on the first cell. When we measure the second one, you will see the same number exactly. They are a little, see, 286. They are so very good balanced. 286. See? Perfect. It's perfect. Actually, all 8 cells, they are so good. It is going exactly the same even for 1000, yeah, for 1 millivolt. That's really amazing. I will be in the future working with those cells. I will be charging them and discharging them, and I want to see how good they are. So there will be a lot of testing. See, 286 all the time. Now we have a little bit fall down, but also we can't see. But unfortunately, there is also 3 volts 286. It is so lovely cells. I'm so happy that I have bought them on the Gobel Power, because for this price it is so amazing. Look how nice they look. It is really so amazing. Each cell 5.6 kilos. Terminals clean, looks like it is very good welded. You have the QR bar there, everything. We will later on check it on the web page, those codes and everything. Now we are on the Gobel Power, and we are actually searching the product numbers. When you open here the page and you go to grade 8, then you will get to this page exactly, and here you can put actually the serial number from the QR code, and you will get the info about the cell. I think it is very lovely, because as you can see, code seems okay, length seems okay, so it seems like it's a valid data. We have the name, model, nominal capacity. You see, it is the MB3 one. It is, I think, the best cell now on the market. You can have it sometimes with the better connector when it is directly from EV, but it is still good. You see the aging is half a year. I think it is fine. And this cell, it is the actually, according to this number, the worst cell from all, and it means it has 331 ampere hours. You can see the internal resistance from the fabric they have measured, and I have to say every cell is below 0.2 milliohm, which is quite nice. Here you can see the thickness of the cell. It's not also changing much. Definitely in the time the cell will get thicker, thicker. They will pop up a little bit because those prismatic cells, when they will be fully charged, they actually go a little bit more mass in this direction. So you see, I have another one. You see, this one has a little bit better capacity. I have here actually all 8, and it's not changing really much because sometimes you can even think, okay, they just modify the data and something like this, but I don't know how much you can trust it because it's not officially the if page, it is from the Gobel, but I don't know, at least they have it. They have it here and looks okay. I was actually testing those cells and they seems to be very okay. Even the promising capacity when you go from maximum to minimum, it is really there. You can reach much more than 314, and it is what we actually want. If you start maybe your discharge and 3.4 and you go only to 3.1 with the reason on amps, I think you can discharge only in this range 300 ampere hours, and that's so cool, so cool. Anyway, nobody will be going 100% SOC, so I think when you have 300, usable 300, it is so good. So there is no point to really go and buy something else, because with those 280 amps, those older models, you will have like, I don't know, 250, 55 maybe usable, and here you have 300. So it's like 20% more usable energy from those cells. That's what really matters to me. See this one, it is the 334. It is the best cell I think I have from those 8 pieces. They are not from the same batch, they are even not from the same time. They are in the 3 days range, and the serials numbers are quite different. I don't know if they were picking the good one, and this one is actually grade A minus, so it's possible it is a little bit not so good, but still I think it is very okay, this cell, very okay for the price, because I think I was buying them here in Europe. It was about 70, I think 70 euros, and I reconsider like this is very good price. It is even cheaper for ampere hour than the older model, and this is actually the new tech. So really, I like it. I really like it, those cells. I have actually ordered another 16 because I will be working on the project 48 volts, and I need more. And actually the 48 volt system, I want to make it with 4 boxes of 16 cells, so my usable will be about 1.2 kiloampere hours. So I think it will be just cool. You can go discharge maybe 9 kV, because there will be 3 kV, 3 kilowatt ampere Victor or Multiplus 2, and I think it will be nasty system because you can push it like 6 hours on the full. And my plan is, people listen, because I have the electricity on the spot market, and I would like to build this system and buy the electricity when it is cheap, because the spot in the Czech Republic or Europe generally, it's crazy, and you can find like hours you can buy for I don't know, let me say 4 or 5 cents, and you can also sell for 80 cents. So that's something really crazy. I'm not saying it's every day, but every day you will find difference like 100%. Point is, you really need to count also the distribution cost and taxes and blah blah blah, which is not so low like you maybe in the America you have it, because just the distribution I think you need to count like it is 10 cents, and that's quite a lot. And you didn't buy even the electricity, so it is only the distribution to you. So when the power is then 4 cents, then you have 14 cents. Yeah, when you buy goods, it's 14 cents. But you can sell maybe for 40, then it is quite nice, because then you have your rabat about 100% and more. So if you sell like this, it is very okay. And if you can sell daily, let me say 50 kW, and you will make like 20 cents of them, then this machine will be doing $10, 10 euros daily. So I think it is maybe even better than some kind of mining gear or whatever. And you still have amazing machine. You can use it for your home. You can use it like the UPS. You can whole house working and running on it. I don't know how many days. You can maybe, I don't know, if you go easy, you can even make maybe without heating more than months on this accu packs without charging. So that's really something amazing. And I am going to build the first project. I think very soon will be finished the first accu. I'm waiting for it. It's saying it's shipping, but probably it will come, I don't know. Maybe next year. It's a Christmas time. It's going to come the Christmas time. I have showed you the connector, and I have measured the diameter where you have the screw. And actually on this cell, it is, I have measured the quadratic millimeter, which you can touch with your bus bar, and you are going to be somewhere about 70 millimeters, quadrat millimeters contact. If you make your better one, you can go maybe to 90, but it is the maximum, and 90 quadrat millimeters, it's not much. So if you will be really pulling a lot of power from the cells, like, I don't know, 100, 150 amps, that maybe should go through easily according to the cell, then those terminals and those bus bars, they are only 40. It will be so overheating and making so much heat that you really need to reconsider making your own bus bars, because those are really for the, I don't know, 50, 60 amps maximum discharge from the box. So think about it when you are making the bus bars, because really it is a huge difference. Not also counting like when you make it, maybe make it double, make the bus bars and make them double. You go 80 and you will finish somewhere like it is reasonable, and you can discharge maybe 80 amps. So okay guys, I think it was some kind of nice and introduction to the next project. And if you like it, then please let me know. There will be more videos to follow up. You can pick up something upstairs, and I see you next time. Bye bye.